What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? It is I, Miguel, the annual pass holder, back with a brand new video here today. If you see behind me, the Orlando Starflyer. Let me pan that up for you. Oh, over 400 feet high. This thing is insane. In Orlando, Florida, just browsing it. Again, it is super windy today. I am not riding that thing at all. Not today, at least, with this wind. But I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. People are still riding it, getting off right now. So guys, take a look at this thing. It is insane. If you see the seat, it just has a few chains on it as it goes high up in the air and at like 60 miles an hour. It is really, really crazy. That's all that's holding you up. Got somebody right there, two people. Take a look at this, guys. I'm gonna try and get a good view for you guys. This is over 400 feet, if I'm not mistaken, 415, 425. I am just about looking completely straight up. And now I am. It is completely 90 degrees looking up for me. That's crazy. It's too windy, but when we come back in the summer, we are definitely doing this though. Jeez. It's beautiful though. A nice lighting package at night. It gets really fast. That thing is really high. It is really windy today. And it's coming back down, so it's not too long. It goes up to the top, starts spinning from the bottom, goes to the top, keeps spinning, and then it spins a little bit while up there at a standstill, then it comes back down. Look, they're still going. So the little lights that you see there, that's the people. Excuse the Sean Kingston music in the background. But yeah, that's about it. They're slowing down. That is the Orlando Starflyer. Now let's show you some other stuff around here, such as the ticketing info, all that. A StarBar over here where you can get a nice drink, pretzels, Haagen-Dazs, get some ice cream. Really, really cool though. Let's check it out, guys. Right here you can get different tickets, a lot of tourist info. You can get different tickets to other attractions and stuff, so it's a really cool addition here. Of course, you got a Haagen-Dazs. After you get your ride, you can get some ice cream. Get a pretzel as well. More info on the Starflyer. So, a little bit of ticket info. One ride is $12.21. If not mistaken, it's gone down a little bit. So if you get the tickets in advance and the re-ride is actually cheaper, it was, I believe, $15 beforehand. So this right here is the drawing and different design process for it. So design started in 2007, and take a look at this stuff here. Really, really fascinating. Like the bolts that they use, how big these are. Wow. Look how big this thing is for them to tighten the bolts. That's it in a nutshell. And they also have different lockers here for you to rent if you need. Restrooms here to the left. And just nice pictures, yeah. So you can't have keys or any coins, everything out your pocket. If I'm not mistaken, you can have a GoPro like on a wrist mount. But but before they didn't let you at all because of something happened. Somebody dropped their phone from the top, but I believe they allow you to do it now. But you can get your tickets right here. Lovely lady will help you out, and yeah, this little ticketing info up there for you guys. Alright, so this is the StarBar. You can see they have a lot of selections of beer, alcohol, and different spirits, liquors that you can get. Also got TVs you can watch the game too. Stay warm in here too. So really nice bar here, but you're about to get a drink right now. The StarBar. That'll wrap up the video here tonight. Had an amazing day. Make sure you check out the vlogs over at Legoland, Lego Movie World, the new edition, SeaWorld, and the new Sesame Street Land over there at SeaWorld Orlando. This was a video from the Orlando Starflyer, so make sure you guys come check it out. Also in the back is the icon, aka formerly known as the Orlando Eye. So guys, I want to thank you guys so much. Until next time, on our next adventure, I will see you guys later. Take it easy. You can hit me up on all social media platforms as you can see here. You can also visit me at makefresh.com. Comment right here. There's a section where you can contact me. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon to see when I post next. And I will see you on that magical express to the day after yesterday's tomorrow. Take care, guys.